Today we are going to see how to set a camera. Here this one is a default screen. In that we have camera. So we'll set that camera only. So you can select the camera from here, or to see through the camera you can press 0 key on the numpad and again press the 0 key to come out of that view. So press 0 and press again 0 to come out of that view, or you can press camera here. Now here I have one object, chair, and we'll set camera for this thing. Now I press numpad 0 and you can see chair is not fully covered in the camera. Some part of the chair is outside the camera here, and legs are also outside the camera. So we'll set that. If we zoom in and zoom out, camera is not moving. So it's not changing its view. For that, press N, property panel, go to view and click camera to view. You can see here camera to view. Check that. So now if we zoom in or zoom out, you can see camera is also moving, and if you move the screen, camera is also moving according to the scene. So now let's set which angle we want. Need to set the plane, so we'll scale that. Now everything is covered in the camera view. The plane also we can see, and the chair also. Now uncheck the camera to view. If you forget to uncheck, and if you zoom in or zoom out, or if you move the scene, your setting will change. So don't forget to uncheck camera to view. So now if I zoom in or zoom out, settings are same whatever we did. Now if we go to render image, we can see whatever is visible in the scene.